Good day, y'all. My name is Steve, and we are Lux Building Group, a Texas-based construction company that builds tiny homes and ships nationwide to offer Americans affordable housing. My wife Brittany is behind the camera, and she will be asking a series of questions about our tiny homes. This will be a multi-video series, so if you have any questions, please comment down below and please subscribe.
Can you tell us about the different models we offer?
Absolutely. Currently, we do have 3 shipping container models. We do plan to add more to our list. On top of shipping containers, we will do cabin style tiny homes as well. But currently, we have a Tier 1 20-foot unit, a Tier 2 40-foot unit, and a Tier 3 40-foot luxury model, which is what we're standing in right now.
What comes in the kitchen on the 20-foot Tier 1 model?
Our Tier 1 models are going to come with a kitchen similar style to this. The fridge will be on this wall with a corner cabinet, utilizing the same sink. This is a dishwasher sink combo. Obviously the kitchen counter space will be much less because it will be a smaller unit. However, you'll still have upper cabinets, open shelving over the sink, and the ability to put in a gas stove beside the sink, or there will be enough counter space for a toaster oven, air fryer, Instapot, whatever type cooking you're thinking. If this were to be a investment property for Airbnb, not everyone needs a full-size stove. And the Tier 1 model will not include any appliances other than the dishwasher sink. However, it will be roughed in for the fridge, microwave, many plugs on the counter space, and a gas stove beside the sink.
Tiny homes have tiny bathrooms?
Our bathrooms, I would not consider tiny, considering living in an RV or a real tiny home that you've seen on YouTube. Our bathrooms range from 5 by 8 feet or 6 by 8 feet wide, and we have full-size bathroom or full-size showers and or full-size tub showers. Our unit in this model has a 48-inch vanity, plenty of space for counter space. This is our bathroom in our Tier 3 luxury model. It is 6 feet by 8 feet.
What are Lux tiny homes made out of?
Currently, our 3 models are made out of shipping containers. They will all be new single-trip shipping containers. They're structurally very sound. They're stormproof. All of our windows and doors will be angle iron welded throughout. Basic framing on the inside with spray foam insulation, causing each unit to be very well insulated and very efficient. We're in Texas right now, and I am freezing in here.
Same. Do you offer any off-grid options?
We do. Our off-grid packages will start at about $15,000 extra. That includes an entire roof full of panels, battery system, a inverter that can be grid-tied, solar and generator powered, so no matter where you are, you can make sure you have power. We'll also be offering incinerator or compost type toilets, so that if you are totally off grid, all you need is a well on your property, and you can power everything else up with the solar off-grid system.
What other upgrades are available with the tiny homes?
We can basically offer just about anything. We can customize to whatever you want. Specifically, we see a lot of patios on the roof with spiral staircases on the side. We can offer trailers or flatbeds for your tiny home to be mounted to that you can tow around, depending on the size truck you have. Obviously, these are going to be probably bigger than an RV, but most likely you will be stationary after it's been shipped once. You can customize your unit however you want, with more windows, more doors, locations, all depending on the unit themselves, how many cutouts, how many doors. That's an additional cost, obviously, but we are fully customizable. You're not specific to what our model layout shows. You can also customize pretty much any of the interior however you want. Kitchen colors, drywall, shiplap. If you want tongue and groove pine, if you're thinking about purchasing a tiny home for a cabin at your hunt camp, we can do tongue and groove pine with nice lighting. If you want a butcher style stainless top for prepping meals or whatnot, we can do a game hoist mounted to the metal container. We've had a couple people inquire about that. That's very popular in hunt camps. Flooring, we can do wood flooring, laminate. We'll even do epoxy flooring that my wife hates. The options are really endless when it comes to building your tiny home. We are here to work with you and for you. So if there is anything that you want in your tiny home that is not listed or you haven't seen before, but you've got an idea, please let us know. We can work with you on making your dreams come true. That is all the questions that we're going to answer in this video. If you have any questions, if you're interested in a unit, please comment below, visit our website, or email us at info@luxbuildinggroup.com. You can give us a call or text at 346-550-1367. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.